Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to tap on apps. Now let's tap on manage apps, and here we've got the three dots icon in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it. And on the third position we've got reset app preferences option, so let's tap. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so if you are ready, tap on reset apps. And actually that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.